guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be here and to be showing you guys my New York City apartment tour. Oh my god, it's been such a long journey getting here. If you've ever had or tried to move to New York, then you know it's not easy. So I'm just so grateful to be here. This is like a temporary living situation. So I did not decorate the apartment. It came as is, but I just think it's decorated so cute. And it's so cozy and functional and very kind of light and airy at the same time, and I just really love it, and I always love seeing this kind of content on YouTube, so I hope you guys enjoy it. As a little side note, I recorded this video several days ago and then in editing realized that I lost the footage. I don't know what happened to it. Must have accidentally deleted it or something happened, I don't know. But either way, I'm recording it post-production. So I'm gonna look a little different in the outro, just different day, different hairstyle, you know the deal. Just giving you guys a little heads up if you watch the end and you're like, what? I'm a mess, that's what happened. So it just feels really good to be back on YouTube. I was gone for like the last year. I didn't need to take quite such a long break, but it feels really good to be back, and I'm so excited to be making cool new content for you guys. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who's been supporting my channel, especially while I've been gone, because I had a massive influx of new subscribers and views, and I was able to finally monetize my channel, which is so just validating. So thank you so much. And if you're new here or you haven't subscribed yet, please be sure to do that and hit the notification bell. It really helps me a lot. Yeah, so without further ado, let's jump into the video. All right, so starting at the front door, here we go. So when you walk in, this is what you see. It is a 3-bedroom apartment. And as you can see, in classic New York fashion, a lot of coats and a lot of shoes. And then in this door right here, we have the bathroom. 2 sinks, and we share amongst the 3 of us. So we actually just had the cleaning people here, and I guess they left this behind. Whoops. All right, so I'll give you guys a quick little peek inside my part of the cabinet. I just have all my skincare stuff up here and just, you know, deodorant, toothpaste, the necessities. And then the shower, it's just basic, and yeah, it works. I love how high the ceilings are, just crazy high, which makes like the whole apartment feel so much bigger than it is, even though we do have a lot of space. So when you enter the apartment, it is decorated so cute. There's photos everywhere, and you know, lots of storage everywhere. Umbrellas and shoes. I love all of the plants. And then, so when you walk in, this is the main living area, kitchen, dining, everything. This is the view. And so here's the kitchen, and we're super lucky because we have a full-size appliances and a dishwasher, which is not that common in New York. So it's super nice. Full fridge. I really don't have that much stuff in here. I have like some leftover salad and an apple and like almond milk, and accidentally bought 2 things of parsley when I ordered Whole Foods, so kombucha, just, you know, some basics. And yeah, they've done a really good job of just trying to like make the most of the space with like pots and pans and silverware and stuff, because we don't have any drawers. Over here it's just more storage stuff, like, you know, onions and potatoes and spices and Tupperware and cooking utensils, all those kinds of things. Yeah, so the living area is over here, and we don't have a TV, but we do have a projector, so you can project onto this wall on the opposite side. And there's more coats for storage, and additional storage for like cleaning supplies and all that kind of stuff. And just lots of cute little cozy details. I love all the crystals and the sage and just lots of cute little things here. I also love, as you can see, how freaking tall these ceilings are. It's amazing. It's just so open and airy. And lots of space, which is awesome. And this might be one of my favorite parts of the apartment, this wall. The decor is just so cute. And yeah, just some miscellaneous luggage and cleaning stuff. Yeah, so that's basically the whole living area, everything you need to know. The other two girls live in those rooms, so we're not gonna go in there. And in here is my room. So when you walk in, this is what you got. Super simple, but lots of storage. I have all my luggage like crammed under here, and then also there were some boxes and stuff from before. So I have wardrobe storage here and some shelves here and drawers and more drawers. So I didn't bring any of my like organizational bins with me. So everything's not as organized as I would like it to be, but I do love this little area. I just put all of my perfume and, you know, different jewelry here. And then, so I use these skinny drawers to store my belts and sunglasses and also like blue light glasses. And then the rest of the drawers, this is like bras and underwear. You don't really need to see that. And then here I have all of the yoga pants. I brought like half of these are Spanx and half are like Lululemon, Aritzia, PE Nation, stuff like that. But I just love these Spanx faux leather like yoga pants. They're the best. They're so chic and they like hug you in and they're just so good. And then I just have like, you know, socks and like there's some Pilates socks hanging out back there. And then I just have just like some hair stuff back here, and I stuck some dirty clothes back there because, you know. And then there was already some stuff in here, so I just put in like all my hats. That one needs to be tape rollered. So then in my wardrobe, I only brought like a few hangers with me, so I need more hangers because, as you can see, some of these are like sharing with other shirts, like multiple shirts. Not ideal. But I have like all of my blazers here and some like lighter jackets and this like heavier winter jacket that I got from Aritzia. Oh my god, it was so expensive, but I love it so much. It's so beautiful. I have a photo of it in my Instagram and I'm obsessed with it. I just feel like a rich bitch when I'm wearing it. There's like a few little dresses and stuff over there and some different pants, you know. And then I have some of my shoes hanging out down here. I'm sure a lot of them will migrate out here, but you know, they're living here for now. And then in this cupboard, there's just like, this is not very exciting, but there's like some Spirit towels, a lint roller. I put some of my like dry food in here because there's just not really enough space in the kitchen. And so I kind of just set aside this shelf to store. And yeah, I have some Go Macro bars, which are super clean ingredients, organic, awesome, healthy sugars, and everything's like processed the right way. They're great. I also have some Siete chips, and I ate half of them last night. Oops. Dairy-free, paleo, vegan, so delicious. I love those chips. Some pasta, and then I got like a couple boxes of cereal. I've never tried this one. So we'll see. But I do have a sweet tooth at night, and if you have a sweet tooth at night and you love cold cereal, but you're trying to be healthy, these are sprouted cacao-O's, and they have like just enough of the cacao or like chocolate flavor to do you in. And I love that they're sprouted, and 1 Degree is just like a great organic, you know, kind of pantry company. There's only like 1 degree of separation from the manufacturer and the farmers, and so you can see all the farmers that make the foods, and they're awesome. I highly recommend. And then yeah, I just have down here some purses, and there's like some other ones in here that are kind of just other purses that are filling up this bag to keep it kind of, you know, full. And then some more purses and or like belt bags or whatever, journals, and then my nail polish is back there, and my camera stuff is in here. Does anyone else store things in like makeup bags? I don't know. It's just when you're moving and you need stuff, I just put it in a makeup bag. And there's just like some sheets and my steamer and stuff down there. Yeah, and then there's this super cute chair here, and you know, all that. I actually really like this little setup that she has down here. I think it's super cute. And yeah, there's just like some books and stuff. My Kindle's sitting there, but I really like the gold little tray with little like magazine or book holders on the side, and like this shaggy rug. I think it's just really cozy and cute. Also, the room just feels super cute from the bed because she has all of this adorable artwork here. Just really cool pieces. I think she painted a few of them. And of course, here is the view. It gets pretty good light, but it doesn't like burn your eyes in the morning, which is really nice. And then moving over to the dresser. So yeah, I have some of my hoops on this, and then I brought all of my tarot and oracle cards because I don't know, it's just like I can't be without them, you know. And then in here, oops. Since there's not a ton of bathroom space and I do have a lot of product, I basically put all of my hair stuff in here. So I have like, you know, heat protectant, and this is awesome if you're a blonde or like gray hair or anything like that and you like to keep your hair from turning brassy. This is a, let's see here. This is from the company Rusk, and it's called their Deep Shine Platinum Luminizer. And basically it's just like this lavender product, cream product that you can like put in your hair, and it adds some nice shine and luster to it, but it'll also tone your blonde and keep it from getting brassy. So I really enjoy that. Some IGK First Class Dry Shampoo, you know, just like the basics. Orbe Gold Lust Nourishing Hair Oil. Why is there hair on that? This stuff smells amazing. Ooh, speaking of, if you guys are looking for a fragrance, I'm just going to tell you right now, this perfume smells so good. It's like a really, it's just clean, and it's kind of gender neutral, and people always compliment me on it. So I know they sell it at Blue Mercury. I'm not sure where else they sell it, but if you can find it and smell it, or you don't even need to, if you like Orbe products, buy the perfume. Trust me, it's so good. Also, almost, it's kind of similar, but the Glossier You fragrance, oh my god, I'm so obsessed with it. If you have not tried this, order it. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love all of my perfumes, but I keep going between those two right now, and oh, they're so good. And on this side, I have just like some face masks that I don't do every day, my gua sha, which I probably should use every day, and some like extra sunblocks that I'm just not using right now, but I didn't want to like toss them. So I have some body blur back here, which is the best, especially, I mean, if you fake tan or not, even if you're just using this for like an event or something, oh my god, it just makes your skin look flawless, like JLo flawless. It's beautiful. I know that Scott Barnes does like body bling, which is basically the same thing, but I've never tried that, and they do sell this at Ulta, so highly recommend this. I just have a couple in here. It's also nice if you're like a little bit pale in the winter, but you don't want to like fake tan your whole body. You can just touch up with that, match your foundation, you're Gucci. And then I have like some fake tanners here and some body lotion, and you know, and then there's like miscellaneous stuff like here, like Tylenol and daily contacts and extra razors and toothpaste and Q-tips, you know, just the usual. And then in here, I've just basically tried to file fold all of my stuff, but it's a little bit cramped, so sometimes it's getting caught on the inside. But these are just like sweatshirts, sweaters, more tops, t-shirts, some nicer tops that probably need to be hung, but I don't have enough hangers, so I just stuck them in here, bodysuits. Alright, you guys, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much filming it, and if you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I have lots of new content coming out very soon. If you guys have anything that you want to see from me, especially here in New York, or you know, skincare related, beauty related, fashion, anything, food, whatever it is, I love it all. So please let me know what you guys want to see on the channel. And please subscribe if you haven't already. It helps me out so much. I was just able finally to monetize my account, so thank you guys so much for anyone who has, you know, supported my channel in any way. It means so much to me, and I love it. It's such a passion for me, and you know, I wish I wouldn't have been away for so long. So anyways, I think that's going to be it for this video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.